Ever wondered how Wi-Fi works on airplanes? Let's break it down quickly. There are two technologies at play. The first is air-to-ground. Antennas on the airplane connect to ground towers, like your mobile phone connects to cell towers. This works great over land, but has limits at higher altitudes and remote areas. The second and more common method is satellite-based Wi-Fi. Ground stations send internet data to satellites, which then beam it to the airplane through antennas. This ensures connectivity, even over oceans. Next time you're online mid-air, you'll know how it works. Like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating insights.